right into this fully renovated 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with an open floor plan and contemporary color scheme. Built from the foundation up, this home features a new roof, gutters, siding, windows, 2-zone HVAC and insulation. The rear deck and patio overlook a huge private 1.7-acre lot on a cul-de-sac. Inside, you can find all-new hardwood flooring throughout both floors. Your new kitchen features quartz countertops, new appliances, and center island with seating. The first floor also has a bedroom office with its own full bath. Your master has a huge walk-in closet and an ensuite with a double vanity. The laundry room is conveniently located on the second floor as well. The fully finished basement provides plenty of space for a playroom, storage, or entertaining. Throw out the honey-do list and come check out this home while it lasts.